Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Live 460 headphones to any MacBook. First of all, we have to find this power button, this one. We have to move it like that. And then we have to find this Bluetooth button and click on it once. Right now our headphones goes to the pairing mode. Next, scroll down to the settings, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on with this switcher, and from the nearby devices list, select our JBL headphones. Right now we can go to the sound and check for the output and the input for our headphones. That's all for this video, hope you like it.